welcome to my channel. I'm Amber and I have another unboxing for you today. This one is from YourCreativeStudio. This is always a fun box, and this is the June box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, I always love this paper that they have. It's got the best texture to it. I just love touching it. It's great. So, okay, they always have this little card that kind of gives you the theme. So I'm guessing this is florals, or maybe specifically hydrangeas, maybe. We'll see. All right, I always save this paper because I love it so much. All right, let's see. I'm gonna push this up here. First, we have washi tape. They have the best bags too, like the little envelopes and things. I like to save them because they're great for junk journaling. All right, this is some washi tape. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. Not washi tape. Repeats. That's a pretty one. I like that. I like the blues. It's kind of blue. It's got a bit of purple in it too. So I'm gonna save that envelope. Then we've got a cling stamp. Oh, that is pretty. We're gonna try that out in just a minute. We're gonna go through the other things in the box, but we'll try this out. There's probably gonna be another stamp in there too. Yep, here's another one. We will try these out. Okay, so we've got this one. And we've got this small one. And there's one more in there, I believe. Yep. Oh, it's a little tiny one. One little flower. Cute. I mean, everybody loves flowers, right? Right, then we have 30 pieces. These like washi stickers. I love this little envelope too. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. Pink and purple is always so pretty together. These are great. Really beautiful. I'm probably gonna use these up really fast because they're just so pretty. All right, let's see what else is in here. Retro Library Series. Letters from Charing Street. I think that's what it says. Okay, so these are stickers. So it looks like vintage script, vintage images, like book pages, postcards, script here. Yeah. Oh, these are really cool. That would be great in making like master boards and things. Love that. Always such interesting things in here. Okay, let's see what this is. Are these stickers? Let's see. I think they're stickers. Yep. These are stickers, and they have a little bit of translucency to them. And they're all florals, which is nice. All different colors. Very cool. And then worn pages. Modeled pages, it says. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So it's got images of plants on like book pages and postcards and things like that. I just love this one. These are so pretty. Really beautiful. Love that. Okay. Stickers, like little stamp kind of stickers. Yeah, it's got the stamp edges on there. Very nice. Purple Dawn original Matchbox material paper. I love these little matchboxes, so cute. Again, I love the purples. I don't use purple that much, but I would really like to. Little note cards, and this is like really thick, heavier paper. It's really nice. It's got some texture to it. This is it's like embossed. It's like a raised image on this. These lilies, look at that. How pretty is that? Got some butterflies. Oh, there's even little tags. Very nice. Willow orchid. Some more tags here. The flowers bloom and fall. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm going to have to make like a, maybe like a shabby chic or some kind of botanical journal that is has a purple color theme, because these are really pretty. Flowers, Small Town. Okay. Oh, little tiny papers. Got butterflies. Oh, there's some vellum in here. Got some nice vellum. Square papers, rectangles, very small papers. You can use for journaling, little tuck spots and things. Nice addition to a journal. I like these. That's a really pretty one. These light purple and pink ones. I like that there's both vellum and writing paper on there. I like this too. Use it as a pocket. Okay, this is, I'm not sure what this is. This is stickers. Oh, okay. See, yeah, like this. It looks like one big image, but it's actually separate stickers. You can see on the back here, outline of them. And they've got a texture to them too. Like all this stuff has a nice texture. Very cool. Now we've got paper ephemera. Lovely journal cards. Look at these. Perfect. You don't even have to do anything to them. You just stick them in your journals. These are fantastic. Really beautiful. I really like this one. Lots of different images here. Different styles. And then we have our paper pack, which has 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. So we have, this is the sticker paper. That's a beautiful one. Let's see. And then this is the art paper, I believe. It's got some texture to it as well. And then this is the patterned paper. And then we have the vellum. So pretty. Great box. Okay, let's check out these stamps. Let me grab my ink. Okay. Let's try these little ones first. Press this hard so it doesn't fall off. Okay. Oh, how cute is that? Look at how cute. I love it. I love tiny things. Okay, take this piece of plastic off. Press that down. Yeah, these always fall off for me. Mine's a little bent here. Okay, I think I got enough ink on it. Okay, see my stamp is a little bent here, so it's not picking up this part of the stamp. Let me see if I can manipulate it here. Press it down on that side. There we go. Yeah, I just have to see this one is just a little bit squashed on this side compared to the other sides. Hopefully that'll fix itself. All right, let's try the bigger ones. Nice, I like that. These would be fun to watercolor or use the watercolor pencils I got from my grabby box. That would be great. This one's a little bit squashed there too, so I'm hoping those will just fix themselves. Oh, that is really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the butterfly in it. Okay, great. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you are a subscriber to Your Creative Studio, what you think of it, and what you think of this month's box. So I actually will have another unboxing here for you in just a little bit, and more tutorials coming up. So hope to see you again soon, and have a great day.